Hi viewers and welcome to Maths Tutorial Sessions channel. In this tutorial, I want us to solve the following exponential equation. 5 to the power x plus 1 plus 5 to the power x plus 2 is equals to 150. Okay, what we need to do here first is that we need to separate this 5 to the power x plus 1 and this 5 to the power x plus 2. Okay, let us do that. Here we will have 5 to the power x times 5 to the power 1 plus 5 to the power x times 5 to the power 2 is equals to 150. Right, now we need to take out the highest common factor. The highest common factor here is 5 to the power x. Then in brackets we have 5 plus 5 to the power 2 is 25, which is equals to 150. Right, then we have 5 to the power x into 30, since 5 plus 25 is 30, equals to 150. Right, now we need to divide both sides by 30. Then here this 30 will divide this 30. Then we are left with 5 to the power x is equals to 150 divided by 30. There is 5. Obvious, to the power 1. Right. Therefore, now bases are the same. The only thing we need to do is to equate the exponents. Therefore, our answer is x is equals to positive 1. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you do subscribe to Maths Tutorial Sessions channel and also hit the bell in order to get a notification whenever we upload a new video. Goodbye.